Listening practice. Sample.
Listen to the dialogue between Pauline and her Omani tour guide. As you listen, answer questions 1 to 10. Now, listen for the first time.
Good morning, Ollie. I'm excited about our day in Muscat. Can you tell me what our itinerary looks like?
Good morning, Paula. Absolutely. We'll start our day by visiting the Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque.
You made a mistake, Ollie. My name is Pauline, not Paula. It's Pauline.
My apology, Pauline. Now I remember. The Grand Mosque is about 15 minutes from here. And it's one of the largest mosques in the Middle East, covering an area of 416,000 square meters. It's also relatively new, having been completed in 2001. But it attracts over 100,000 tourists every year due to its stunning architecture.
That sounds amazing. What's next after the mosque?
After the mosque, we'll head to the Royal Opera House, which is around 20 kilometers away. It usually opens to visitors at 8 a.m. and is a great place to experience Omani culture and arts. Then, we'll go to Mutra Souk, which is just 5 kilometers from the Opera House. The souk is one of the oldest markets in Oman, dating back over 200 years. You can find all sorts of souvenirs, spices, and local crafts there.
I've heard a lot about the souk. Are there any historical sites we'll be visiting?
Yes, we'll visit Al Jalali and Al Marani forts. They're both about 30 minutes from the souk, and were built in the 16th century by the Portuguese. The forts offer a glimpse into Oman's rich history and have stunning views of the harbor. They're popular tourist spots and are usually open from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Fantastic! I can't wait to explore these places. Thanks, Ollie.
Listen for the second time.